Hey everybody, it's Mike from Monkey Fab, and today we're going to talk about the Holley Power Tap guy and just how to pin this thing. When you get the kit, if you order kit, you're going to order pigtails. That's why I'm making this in the first place. But if you get the kit, you'll get the little silicone booties, 2 pieces of the tap, and the pins that you need for it. So I'm just going to show you maybe a wire real quick. I already put the silicone booties on there. So basically, you're just going to strip it out. Make sure you don't have old insulation in the strippers because then it won't strip. Just like that. And I'm gonna move the silicone booty right down to the end. If you guys look over here, there's the cheat codes. That's gonna tell you where everything goes. And you'll be able to see that the orange is the 5 volt. So we know everything orange is 5 volt. These little pin guys, you just break them off. Generally the easiest way to do that is just hold them with a pair of pliers and just give it the old wiggle wiggle and they'll just snap off. Just like that. Okay, and here's the pin. Again, with just a little close-up. These are the male pins, obviously. And you're gonna see it has a divot on the inside. You're gonna see it's got your typical row of little wings for the wire and then kind of the bigger wings for the silicone boot. And this one's kind of, if you look at it head on, I'm not sure if you guys are gonna get that or not, but one side's a little bit taller so that it helps you, so you only can install it one way. So we're gonna do our typical. I have my our GM crimpers. Again, not the right ones, but they'll work because the right ones are too pricey for me. And we're just gonna go ahead and load this up in the E setting on these crimpers. And what I like to do is just give it a little squeeze, and that way it'll hold the pin for me. I'm gonna lay the silicone guy right inside that tall V, and then the copper wire will just kind of go in its place. So that's how that's gonna look right there, and we'll give it a crimp. Okay, and then we will check. We'll give it the old pull because it's always better it fell now than fell later. And then just like always, I like to fold those little wings over and I'll hit them. These are the weather pack crimper guys, and I'll just use these round guys that are meant for just this purpose to get that guy in there like that. Good to go. And again, on the plug, I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see that, but again, you'll have like a little rectangle with a smaller rectangle on the top sort of seal. That is where the pin's gonna go. You'll see this guy is our 5 volt orange, so it goes in C, and on the back of there, or front, back, whatever you want to call it, they'll have little letters on here. There's A, B, C, D. So this guy is just going to go into the C, and like usual, we'll just go ahead and slide in there until you hear a click, just like that, and now it's in there and locked. And then to finish it up, what we'll do is we'll just put the cap on the back like always, and now lock it in place. So you just do that, you know, 3 times over for the other wires. I'm sure you guys don't need to see all that. And then if you have to depin it, let me grab my depinning tool real quick. Right now, we got a live studio audience today, guys and gals. And then where you have up in the connector that's above it, the little narrow area, we're just gonna slide our depinning tool into it like this. I don't know, hopefully you guys can see. And then I just kind of give it a little wiggle as I push down. Sorry, I'm trying to hold it for the camera so you guys can see. I'm just gonna have to cheat and look myself. And then once it pops, you'll hear it pop, and you can just pull it right out the back. And yeah, it just has a little catch on the top of that pin, but you guys already saw that. And then to get back in there, we just find our C slot again, ABC, point it the correct direction, which it's not, ABC. There we go. Slide it in until it clicks, and then we're locked in place again. So that's how you do the Holley Power Tap, guys.